All right, so practice problem 5 is a find the mistake. It's already been solved. So let me see if I agree with the like terms. So we have negative 2x cubed and positive 8x cubed. Okay, so I agree. 5y squared and 6y squared, I agree. And negative 2, positive 4. Okay, so they grouped the like terms correctly. So we have a negative 2 and a positive 8. Signs are different, so I subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. So this is the mistake. There are only 6x cubes, and I have more positives than negatives, so it's positive 6x cubed, not 10. 5 plus 6 is 11, so I agree. That is a positive 11 squared. And negative 2 plus 4, signs are different, so I subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, but I have more positives than negatives, so this should be a plus. So this was wrong and this was wrong. So the mistake, the mistakes were 1, negative 2x cubed plus 8x cubed is 6x cubed, not negative 10x cubed. They should have subtracted. And then the second mistake was negative 2 plus 4 is 2, not negative 2. Keep the sign of the larger number. And I put larger in quotes because it's larger absolute value, right? So those were the two mistakes. You don't have to write it out exactly how I did, but you should have a written answer explaining to me what the mistake was, because that's what we're moving toward to make sure that we are mastering these concepts. So final question, what are like terms? You should be able to articulate now that like terms have the same variable with the same exponent. I keep saying coefficient. With the same exponent. There's really no other way to answer this question. If you don't have the words variable or exponent, I'm going to push you to go back and add that vocab. So your exit ticket for today is practicing an IXL skill. It's actually a 7th grade skill because we've already done the 8th grade one. So you're going to go to 7th grade R15. You're going to work until you get to a score of 90. The reason it's 90 is because you just did a lesson on it and it's a 7th grade skill. Okay? If there's no star next to it, you're doing the wrong thing. If it's not like terms, you're doing the wrong thing. Please go to 7th grade R15. Once you get to a 90, you are done. If you work beyond a 90, you will have extra credit. This is one of your first grades for quarter 2, so make sure you are starting off on a strong note.